on the grass and window panes, pitter-patter falls the rain. Dark clouds floating in the sky, thundering as they pass by. Plants and trees look bright and green. Everywhere puddles of water to be seen. Falling on the rooftops, falling on the field, falling all around with the pitter-patter sound. But look, I am dry, makes me wonder why. Friends, do you know why? Right, because I am inside the house. The house protects me from the rain.
Meenu, that was a lovely poem. But I don't like to stay inside the house when it rains. I like to go out and play. Come, let's go and sail paper boats.
Chinu, I will also come to sail paper boats. But how do you make a paper boat?
I will tell you how to do it. Friends, will you also make a paper boat with me? First, let us take a piece of paper. Now we need a square paper to make a paper boat. So first let us fold it like this and fold this part and tear it off. Look, we have a square paper now. Now you have to fold the paper like this, first right in the middle, and then again like this in the middle.
Oh, it looks like a square now, Chinu.
That's right. Now just take one part and fold it like this, and the other three parts and fold it on the other side.
It looks like a triangle now.
Now put your hand in the middle and fold it like this. Now slowly pull out both the sides, and hey, the boat is ready to sail.
Chinu, even my boat is ready. Come, let's go out and sail these boats.
Meenu, Chinu's boat is going faster. Look at that dog. It is drinking rainwater.
Yes, Buzz. Animals drink water from the rivers, lakes, ponds, and also the rainwater. Nobody gives water to wild animals or stray animals. They have to find water themselves and drink it.
They have to find water themselves?
Yes, Buzz. In the jungles also, elephants, tigers, deer and other animals go to the water hole and drink water from there. All living things need water to grow and live. So they have to drink water. That is why they are very happy when it rains.
Raja, you are lucky. Meenu and Chinu give you water every day in your bowl. Meenu, do these trees also drink rainwater?
Yes, Buzz. Trees and plants get very happy when it rains. Have you seen anyone water these trees on the road?
No, I haven't seen anyone watering these trees. People only water and take care of the plants and trees that grow in their house.
That's right, Buzz. So have you thought how these trees get water to grow? They get it from the rain. That's why they are very happy when it rains. Soon after the rain, You can see fresh green leaves growing in these trees and plants. All trees and plants have a fresh new look after it rains. The whole world looks green and happy.
I also like the rain, but I don't like when it rains too much.
Too much rain is also not good. It spoils and destroys the crops. Too much rain can cause floods and people can lose their homes. Farmers also don't like too much of rains. Papa said only the right amount of rain at the right time helps farmers and their crops.
I also like it when it rains lightly. But I am scared of lightning and thunder. Look, it is so dark.
Why should you be scared of lightning and thunder? You should only be a little careful. When there is heavy lightning, you shouldn't take shelter under a tree. If it strikes the tree, then you will also be in trouble. Otherwise, you don't have to be scared of it.
Hey Chinu, look up at the dark clouds. Can you see some shapes there? Look, that cloud looks as if a goose is flying. Oh, it looks so beautiful.
It looks like a goose flying. But look at the one on the other side. Doesn't it look like a horse with its leg up?
Oh yes, it does. Look, the sun is trying to peep in through the clouds.
Meenu, Chinu, look here. Look, there is a lovely rainbow out there.
Ooh, it looks so colorful. I can see all the 7 colors. Friends, can you also see the 7 colors? Will you tell the colors of the rainbow loudly along with me? Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red.
Meenu, look at my umbrella. It is also colorful. See, it has so many colors. But will you ask Grandma to buy me a small raincoat?
Yes, Buzz. Even a raincoat will protect you from the rain. You can remain dry if you wear a raincoat and walk in the rain. Friends, did you enjoy our rain poem today? Do you know where all we can find water? We can find water in a well, the sea, a river, a lake, a pond.
We get water in our hand pump also.
That's right, Buzz. Friends, can you think where else we can get water from? Happy thinking!
Will you help us to know those things that happen when it rains and those that happen when it does not rain? Rainbow. When it rains. smooth sailing. When it rains, dry land, when it does not rain. Fresh new leaves on trees and plants. When it rains, umbrella, when it rains, feeling very hot. When it does not rain. Raincoat, when it rains. Peacock dances. When it rains. Lightning and thunder. When it rains. Water puddles. when it rains. Leaves dry and drooping. When it does not rain. Dark clouds. When it rains. Will you help Bert fill in the blanks? Before it rains, we can see in the sky. Dark clouds. Before it rains, we can see dark clouds in the sky. There are colors in a rainbow. Seven. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Grow on trees and plants after a rain. Fresh new leaves. Fresh new leaves grow on trees and plants after a rain. Plants and trees start when they do not get enough water. Drooping. Plants and trees start drooping when they do not get enough water. Plants and trees mostly get the water they need from rain. Plants and trees mostly get the water they need from rain. Before it rains, we can see dark clouds in the sky. There are 7 colors in a rainbow. Fresh new leaves grow on trees and plants after a rain. Plants and trees start drooping when they do not get enough water. Plants and trees mostly get the water they need from rain.
Bye bye, friends.